In this video, you will learn how to create a PowerPoint slide design tutorial. So let's start the video. Go to Insert, click on Shapes, select the hexagon shape, drag it like this, duplicate with Ctrl D and set it like this. Let's delete these three. After this, select all and go to Format and select Union from Merge Shape. Go to Insert, click on Shapes and select the rectangle. Drag it like this. Click on the right button and send to back. Now select both and select Subtract from Merge Shape. Go back to Insert. Click on the Video tab. Here I downloaded the video from Pexels website. Select it and insert it. Click on the right button and send to back. Select Shape. Go to Format. Go to Shape Fill and select Color using Eyedropper. Go to Insert and select the text box. Add woodkeepers here. Select and increase the font size. The color also change. Again, go to Insert and select the text box. Add woodkeepers information here. Increase size. Now click on Slideshow. So, see friends, our slide looks beautiful. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.